morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Right now 6:30 in the morning. I'm leaving Budgeting Hotel going to Malapascua port. From there I want to go to the mainland to reach the airport. Before go to the airport there is one more place I want to visit. That island close to the Malapascua port which is on the way to the airport. If everything goes well I want to explore that island also. Fingers crossed, I'm trying my luck.
You're a vlogger.
Yeah, I'm a blogger. So it's like a 200 pesos for the ticket. That's how it is. Hi, how are you? That's your daughter?
Yes.
Oh, she's very beautiful. It's a beautiful day. There is no doubt about it. But it's a super low tide right now. But the sun is beaming up. Really, very good sunlight. You can see that. This is the classic way to start a boat. Finally, I'm leaving the Malapascua island. 40 minutes boat ride. I reached the Maya port. From Maya port to Malapascua port, I'm taking bike. Going to cost me around 300 pesos. It's like a 20 kilometer. Let's see how it goes. Thank you. Right now, it's only 8 o'clock in the morning. It's only 20 kilometer. I can reach in 30 minutes. Before getting the boat, I want to withdraw some money. That's the ATM. In this place, there is no ATM. So if you come here looking for ATM, you can pay extra 30 pesos and they will withdraw the money from your card. That's the situation. You can withdraw the money here. You can withdraw money there. A lot of places have offline. Only here is online. Finally, I withdraw the money. Now I'm going to the port. Okay. Your name is Bibi?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Hi. When I reach the port, there is no one for the tour. I'm the only person. The boatman asked me 1,500 pesos. I was hesitated. I waited 30 minutes to see anyone coming to join me. In the meantime, I want to have a breakfast. I'm hungry. That is the food over here for omelets and rice. Then we are heading over there. So we are lucky enough I have the family over here. So I'm joining with the family. That's going to be like fantastic. Yeah. First time going with the family. After all, I have some luck. Thank you. Thank you. The fare is going to be like a 500. It's more affordable right now. Easier for us. So I'm guessing today is going to be like a beautiful day. Let's see how it goes. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome.
Oh, you're McQueen. You get your McQueen.
McQueen, yes. My son also like McQueen.
Yeah.
All the boys like McQueen. The water was so crystal clear.
Slowly.
Oh, that's the beach area.
Oh, you know it? Okay. Go. Forward. Yes.
It's slippery also. Ano pangalan mo?
What's your name?
Wow. Okay. Okay. We are in the sandbar. We have a half an hour over here. Let's see how it goes. Look at the water. Beautiful. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys in next video soon.